Alright guys, got the Asus VG5A monitor. It's a 200Hz monitor and I got it for around 24,000 taka. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I have to like do this. Oh yeah, okay, that's cool. Alright, let's open from this side. I guess I have to open it like this, right? There we go. Handy dandy scissors. Alright. I think I still need to open it, cut it a bit more. Oh, never mind. Yeah, okay. And would you take a look at that? We have the monitor. Very nicely protected. Asus is a reliable brand. We got the power cable here. And we also have the cool looking gaming stand, I guess. And we also have this stand as well. It's pretty cool. And we have the monitor itself. We're gonna unbox this. So we're gonna take the cover off. And would you take a look at that? The Asus 200Hz gaming monitor. Looks like astonishingly good. Okay, I think I have to pull it like this. There you go, you can see here. Yep, 200Hz, 0.3 millisecond response time. That's insane. And this is the power cable. I don't know why it says 5A, maybe 5 amps, something like that. I'm not an expert in this. Also got this nice stand right here, which we're going to attach it. Of course, you don't have height adjustability option, but maybe you have tilt here, but not like this. So yeah. So I guess you just slide it in like this. I'm not too sure. Yeah, okay, just put on the screws now, right? And we are also gonna be taking a look at the manuals as well as the cables. Woohoo, there we go, look at the manual, that looks crazy. Not gonna read everything, of course, but just gonna go through a glimpse. And you can see blah 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 blah. There we go, manual done. We have the screws and we have the DisplayPort cable. Haha. And this, my friends, is the DisplayPort. Of course, how else would you get 200Hz? Like with an HDMI? Of course, I don't think that's possible. So they gave you a DisplayPort. There we go. Focus. Yeah, there we go. Focus a bit more. Come on, come on. Do press with my nose. There we go. Haha. This bad boy. Yeah, let's go. Let's get the stand out. Welcome to the world. Haha. So freaking insane. So I guess I just have to place it like this and do something with the screw, I guess. I'm not sure. Oh, I think I just have to spin it like this. Alright, let me try spinning it. I think it's working. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so I'm booting up my PC and hopefully you guys can see it. I don't have a DisplayPort, so I'm using the HDMI port. So yeah, once I get a GPU, I'll add the DisplayPort and hopefully I'll be able to play at 200Hz. So yeah. Alright, and there you go. Let's go and test some 4K videos out, I guess. I'm running the video at 1080p. Alright, there you can see. It's the forest. Alright, it's morning, so let's see how the monitor looks like in the morning. I turned it on again, as you can see right here. Oh, what was that? You can see the viewing angle. I feel like there's a bit of like color shift, I think, like the brightness. Can you see that? I don't know if it's like because of DisplayPort or HDMI, or maybe it's because the technology of IPS. See if there are any IPS bleeding or glowing issues. And so far, I'm not really seeing any bleeding. Yeah, I'm not really seeing any sort of bleeding at all. I haven't tried looking at it at nighttime, but I can't really find any bleeding. Go to the advanced display settings, and I'm using 120Hz, as you can see, but it does support up to 200Hz. And by using HDMI, it cannot go to 200Hz because, you know. Also, let me show you the settings. I think I've changed it a bit. but I'm still testing things out. It's not permanent yet. Since I have an HDMI port, I cannot handle 200 Hz because if I set it at 200 Hz, the display turns off after a few seconds. That's what the max HDMI supports. So yeah, that is gonna be pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing video of the Asus VG259Q5A. I hope I spelled the model correctly. So yeah, I guess it's pretty cool.